And so it begins. There's a place deep inside, a place where everything is regulated, calibrated, tuned to perfection. It's warm here, a steady hum in the air, the rhythmic hiss of steam, the occasional clank of metal. You find yourself in the boiler room, the hidden engine that powers everything, fueling motion, generating strength. And just ahead, moving with calm certainty, is the maintenance man. He's been here a long time. He knows every pipe, every valve, every connection that makes this system work efficiently, powerfully. He walks the length of the room inspecting, adjusting, fine-tuning, because everything must be ready, optimized, prepared for what's ahead. He moves to the pressure valves first, running his hand over the metal, a gentle twist here, a firm adjustment there, and the system responds smoothly, perfectly. Pressure is building, energy is rising, fueling every cell, every muscle, preparing you. A few bolts need tightening. The wrench turns, smooth and steady, joints stabilizing, muscles locking into place, everything aligned and ready to move. And finally, the power flow, the fuel that drives it all. He checks the channels, opening them wider, ensuring a perfect, unrestricted flow. You feel it now. Warmth spreading, circuits engaging, every part of you coming online. The maintenance man steps back, nodding in satisfaction. Everything is ready, calibrated, primed for peak performance. And as you stand there, feeling the hum of the system, knowing everything is in place, you realize you are ready. The energy is there, waiting for you to move, to act, to perform at your highest level. Now, as you step out of the boiler room, you bring all of this with you, the stability, the alignment, the raw, powerful energy. And on the count of 3, you will be fully awake, fully alert, fully prepared. 1, the power flows through you. 2, your body is primed, eager, and ready. 3, eyes open, fully energized. Let's begin. Wide awake now.